starting with opening of a demo account or live trading account with multi-currency. Trading Forex in a demo account offers a great way to get started operating in the world's largest financial market. Are you interested in tasting the flavor of online trading? Then join us with the demo account and see for yourself what it looks like. Simply log on to our website and click on Try Demo Account. Once you are on the requested page, fill in the given details and submit. The backend team will contact you on email to verify your email address and to complete the process. Similarly, to start a live trading account, log on to our website, click on Live Trading Account and then select the type of account you are interested in opening, that is, individual account or corporate account. Once the window opens, fill out the details, attach the required documents and submit. Or if you are already holding a demo account with us, just click on the Open Live Account tab on the dashboard and follow the given steps. The multi-currency account is an efficient and cost-effective solution for you to maintain balances and perform transactions in different currencies. The next is multi-currency wallet, which supports more than one currency and is beneficial because it helps to keep a track of all currencies at one single place. To view the same, click on the wallet option on the dashboard and instantly get the details about your currencies, total number of transactions, deposit amount, deposit transactions, withdrawal amount, withdrawal transactions, and wallet balance. To add further, you can click on Reports and then on Wallet to get the summary statement and detailed statement of the currencies easily. Now, let us quickly run through the interactive multi-purpose smart dashboard, which is divided into three segments. First is My Account that lets you use shortcut to open live account, deposit and withdrawal. Also, it shows the list of demo and live accounts reflecting current balance and trading position. Furthermore, you have the facility to change master or investor password from here. Next is Trader Dashboard, which gives you the daily, weekly, monthly and total overview of the trading profit. Besides, it showcases the trade analytics that gives you the ability to analyze the current day trades and historical trade data from a comprehensive statistical report. Lastly, the wallet option shows the currency-wise summary for easy understanding of deposit, withdrawal and balance of each currency. Coming to instant multi-currency deposit and withdrawal facility. This feature allows you to smoothly deposit or withdraw in USD, Euro and Great Britain Pound. With a multi-currency account, you get the benefit to deposit and withdraw in different currencies as it enables you to do transactions involving various currencies through a single platform. Also, you can certainly make the payment through online payment gateways for easy and hassle-free transactions. Then is Trader Room, which is divided into 4 parts. First is Market Watch that lets you monitor the live market price. You can select the default watch list or create a new one as per your convenience. Next is the Order Book, which is a reflection of all the orders that have been placed and helps you to make more informed trading decisions. It gives a synopsis of the account status and current open positions. Then is the order history that shows all the transactions that have taken place in the past and shows the booked position transaction details with filter as well. Last is the analytics that helps you with the trading analysis reports for easy understanding. Then is Tools. Click on Tools option and explore our handy tools to calculate profit, margin, PIP point, swaps, SLTP and currency at your fingertips. And the last important feature is the live support ticket system, which is efficient, fast, and meant for easy communication to solve problems. The FAQ section is designed to provide you a central place for quick information that are most commonly asked and easy to understand.